expression, Kakus is 4 times older than me. How old is he? The subject of the sentence is Kakus. The subject of the sentence is Kakus. The predicate, okay, the verb is linking verb. The predicate my age explains his condition, which happens to be his age. In order to know how old he is or how young he is, we compare his age and my age. So I will say the predicate is my age, because my age is explaining his condition. If Kaku's age is compared with my age is the condition of Kaku's age. And what is their condition? 4 times older than me. But for now, my age is unknown. So we represent it as X. Will this age increase or decrease after the question has been answered? It will increase. Kakus is 4 times older than me. There will be an increase. But before we move on, let's look at the rules pertaining to an increase. Determine if the predicate, as number 1, determine if the predicate which is the condition of the subject of the sentence will increase or decrease. In case of an increase, determine if the increase is repetitive or due to an external factor. If the increase is repetitive, it's multiplication. But if there is no increase, and if there is no increase on the condition, and it happens that the increase is only due to an external factor such as space or time, the operation is addition. Time is usually expressed in terms of seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, and so on. Space, on the other hand, is expressed in terms of distance. Okay, let's go back to the question. Kaku is 4 times older than me. How old is he? To understand how the expression will turn out to be, we'll look at a different table here. The predicate is my age. My age is the condition explaining the subject Kakus. My age. Because a comparison was made between Kaku's age and my age. Will it decrease after the question has been answered? No. Will it increase? Yes. Kakus is 4 times older than me, so his age should be higher than my age. Is the increase repetitive? Yes. To get Kaku's age, my age should be repeated 4 times. That is 4 multiplied by X. That means if my age is X, which is unknown, it has to repeat it 4 times. X plus X plus X plus X. That forms our expression for X. Bose is X years old. How old will she be in the next 4 years? The predicate is age. The predicate is age, explaining the condition of the noun bosse or subject bosse. It is a variable x. Since it has not been stated, it remains unknown. What will happen to bosse's age in the next 4 years? To answer that, we have to go forward in time. Let's go forward in time. Will bosse's age decrease after 4 years? No. Will it increase? Yep. Is the increase repetitive or due to an external factor? The increase is not repetitive. Rather, it is an increase in external factor. Time. The time is 4 years. So our expression should be 4 plus x. That's it for the assignment. See you in the next video.